everyone, today we're gonna make a simple looking but a little complicated geometrical design. For that we need to take measurements of our sheet. Vertically it's 15 centimeter. We will divide it into half. So the 7.2 centimeter will be our center, and horizontally also we will take all the centimeters, how much longer it is. It is 15 plus 6, 21 centimeter longer. So the half 10.5 will be the center from the horizontal. So we got the center from both horizontal and vertical. So this is how we will find our center. And as we all know, geometrical design is always symmetrical. So we will take the center here, and here we are making a 10 centimeter longer square. So the center part, from the center part, both the sides we will make 5 centimeters, and it will be total 10 centimeter. And longer in a lengthwise also we will take 5 centimeter from the center, and it will be again 10 centimeter in total. So this is how we're going to complete our square. Make sure it's all sides should be proportionate, parallel and straight. After making this square, I will tell you the steps how to make this a little complicated but very simple and subtle looking design. Let's just outline it with a black sketch pen so that you will not erase any line. Let's do it. And again now we will mark our center in the 5 centimeter both, and you can see 5 centimeters will be left at both the sides because it's 10 centimeters, so half will be 5 centimeter. And let's mark a line in between the center points. You can make a plus like that. And now what we will do, we will find a center of 5 centimeter. That will be 2.5 from both the sides. Let's mark it. All the sides, all the 4 sides of the square, we will mark 2.5 centimeters, center of 5 centimeter each. After making the points, let's just join all the points and make these lines horizontally and vertically both, so that we will get blocks of 2.5 centimeter each from all the sides. Now let's see this carefully, how I'm making these lines in the center. Make sure all lines should be coming from the center of the edge, like exactly from the corner. And after this we will take centers from this small squares. Make sure it should be a center from all the squares we have made like this. You can mark points first and then join them from horizontally and vertically both. So let's take the center. And make sure you keep outlining your lines, which we are going to keep and which not. It will be easy for you to do it. And this is how we have done these 2 boxes, and same we're going to do in the another sides, left and right. See, why did we make these lines? So that we can make these boxes out of them, and they are very accurate as you all can see it. And let's see how we're gonna make it, because now the steps will be easier for you. And make sure you're making all the sides equal. All the steps will be equal from all the 4 edges. All the 4 edges we will do the same steps, and we will repeat them very carefully. So let's just do it. this video useful, and don't forget to subscribe for more content like this. Thank you everyone for watching. I really appreciate it.